In this short video, we introduce you to the world of photo editing tools. Photo editing software is a type of computer program that allows users to manipulate, enhance, and change the appearance of an image. With the help of these tools, you can easily edit your images and make them look more attractive. With a variety of photo editing tools on the market, each has its own set of features. Some of the most popular photo editing software programs include Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, ON1 Photo Raw, Skylum Luminar Neo, Topaz Labs Photo AI, or similar photo editors noted throughout this series. The most popular photo editing tool is Adobe Photoshop. Among photo editing tools, it's considered the industry standard. With the help of Photoshop, you can easily change the color, brightness, contrast, and other aspects of your photos. When choosing a photo editing software tool, it is important to consider the type of editing you plan to do. If you are doing complex photo editing, then your best bet is a powerful program like Photoshop. However, if you plan to make minor changes, then a less complex program may be a better option. Once you choose a photo editing software program, it is important to learn how to use it. Most photo editing software programs come with tutorials or online help files that can teach you the basics of how to use the program. Once you learn the editing options within the software, the key is to jump in and use it to explore the possibilities. As you progress to become a more advanced user, there are many online resources and books available that can teach you more advanced techniques. If you found this short video useful, visit our site at anthonymdavis.com for more resources, tips, tutorials, and photo information. Until then, keep building your creative skills and make the world a better place.